Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my another video. I hope that you all are well. So today I will told a very exciting news. So Getio officially announced that Getio announces official sleep partnership with Inter Milan. So Getio has been made a new collaboration with Inter Milan, and I hope that you all are know about the club. Inter Milan is the toppest club of in our whole area, whole world. So Getio at last made collaboration with this Inter Milan, and in Inter Milan there are many goat player. You can see that, and I hope that you know about this club. So Getio, world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, is proud to announce a partnership with FC Internazionale Milano. Inter or club, one of the most prestigious football clubs in the world and the reigning champions of Series A. Starting from the 2024 to 25 season, Getio will become the official sleeve partner of Inter, which will see its logo on the sleeves of the playing kits for both men's and women's teams, in addition to our club U20 teams. This collaboration unites two brands sharing and believing in the same technology-inspired vision, community-centric value, and long-lasting winning spirit. Then, the new partnership will focus on enhancing the fan experience and providing innovative services and engagements to the club global fan base. Throughout this exciting collaboration, fans can look forward to a range of exclusive content, joint marketing activations, co-branded merchandise, alongside unique opportunities for fans to connect both on and off the field. The partnership symbolizes the fusion of trading sports excellence with cutting-edge digital technology. Dr. Lin Han, the founder and CEO of Getio, said, "We are thrilled to partner with Inter, a club with a rich history and a passionate fan base. This partnership aligns with our commitment to innovation and community engagement. We are excited to bring new and exciting experience to Inter fans around the world and explore the many synergies between the worlds of football and digital assets. We are delighted to welcome Getio as our sleep partner for our prestigious jersey, which we are now delighted to complete," said Alessandro Antonello, CEO corporate of Inter Milano. "Thanks to this agreement, Getio, which has over 10 years experience in the sector and shares our innovative spirit, together Getio and Inter are set. Spirit will gain extensive visibility in all the competitions that we will participate in together. Getio and Inter are set to redefine the fan experience, offering unparalleled engagement to a global audience. Getio will appear on the LED boards already his evening at Inter Lichy, which the brand will make its debut on the sleeve of the Inter jersey starting from Inter Atlanta." That's really great news, guys. So get you at last partnership with this Inter Milano. So congratulations Getio, congratulations Inter club. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video.